Welcome to Science of Mind. Hi, and welcome to Science of Mind. I'm Laura King, and today we're tackling a topic that's crucial for anyone who wants to unlock their potential and break free from the invisible chains holding them back. Limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are those persistent negative thoughts that whisper, "You can't do it," "You're not good enough," or "This isn't meant for you." They hold us back from taking action, exploring opportunities, and achieving our dreams. But here's the empowering truth. Limiting beliefs are not facts. They are stories, and stories can be rewritten. In this video, we're going to understand what limiting beliefs are and where they come from, learn how to identify the beliefs holding you back, and dive into powerful tools and strategies to dismantle self-doubt and replace it with unshakable confidence. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Science of Mind for weekly content on personal growth, mindfulness, and self-discovery. Now, grab a notebook and let's begin this transformative journey together. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts, assumptions, or perceptions that you hold about yourself, others, or the world. They act like mental roadblocks, restricting what you believe is possible for you. Examples of limiting beliefs. I'm not talented enough to start my own business. I'll never be able to lose weight. It's just not in my genetics. I'm not lovable, so no one will ever want to be with me. These beliefs may feel true, but they're actually just perceptions shaped by past experiences and external influences. They are not facts. Limiting beliefs don't appear out of nowhere. They are shaped by 1. Childhood conditioning. The things you heard growing up, like money doesn't grow on trees or you're not good at math, can stick with you for life, even if they're not true. 2. Past experiences and failures. If you've failed in the past, you might believe that failure is inevitable. 3. Cultural and societal expectations. Societal norms can impose beliefs about what's possible based on your gender, age, or background. 4. Fear of rejection or judgment. The fear of being judged can lead to self-doubt and a reluctance to step out of your comfort zone. Take a moment to think about a belief you've held for years, perhaps one that stopped you from pursuing a dream. Where do you think that belief came from? Write it down. Limiting beliefs often operate in the background like a computer program running silently. To overcome them, you first need to bring them into the light. 1. Think of an area in your life where you feel stuck or unfulfilled. Is it your career, relationships, personal goals? 2. Write down every thought that comes to mind about why you're stuck. Examples. I'm not experienced enough to get that job, or I can't find a partner because I'm not attractive. Review your list. Do you notice any recurring themes or patterns? These are your limiting beliefs. Once you've identified a limiting belief, start questioning it. Remember, just because you've thought it doesn't make it true. Is this belief based on facts or assumptions? What evidence do I have that supports this belief? What evidence contradicts this belief? Belief. I'm too old to start a new career. Challenge. Is this true? Have others succeeded in starting new careers later in life? People like Vera Wang and Colonel Sanders found success later in life, proving age is not a limitation. Reframing is the process of turning a limiting belief into an empowering one. Write down your limiting belief. Rewrite it as a positive statement that supports your growth. Repeat the new belief daily as an affirmation. Limiting belief. I'm not smart enough to start my own business. Empowering belief. I am resourceful and capable of learning anything I need to succeed. Action is one of the most effective ways to overcome self-doubt. Each small step you take reinforces the belief that you are capable. Start small, break your goals into bite-sized tasks. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate every small win. Surround yourself with support. Seek out people who encourage and uplift you. If your belief is, "I'm not good at public speaking," start by practicing in front of a mirror. Then move on to speaking in front of a friend. Each step builds confidence. Visualization helps you see yourself achieving your goals, which strengthens your belief in your abilities. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living your ideal life. What do you see? How do you feel? Write down affirmations that align with this vision, such as, "I am confident and capable. I attract opportunities that help me grow." Repeat these affirmations daily. Even after reframing your beliefs, self-doubt can creep back in. Use this method to handle it. Catch. Notice when a negative thought arises. Challenge. Ask, is this thought helpful or true? Change. Replace it with a positive, empowering thought. For example, if you have a negative thought like, I'll never succeed at this, realize this is self-doubt speaking. Challenge it by asking, why wouldn't I succeed? What skills or resources do I already have? Then change it to, I have what it takes to succeed and I'm taking steps toward my goals every day. Your environment greatly influences your mindset. Surround yourself with positivity. Read books or listen to podcasts that inspire growth. Spend time with people who encourage you. Remove or limit exposure to negativity, whether it's toxic relationships or unproductive media. Who or what in your environment currently supports your growth? What can you add or remove to make your surroundings more empowering? Setbacks are inevitable, but they don't define you. Treat them as learning opportunities rather than failures. Write about a time when you faced a challenge but eventually overcame it. What did you learn from that experience? How can you apply those lessons to your current goals? Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into overcoming limiting beliefs. Remember, these beliefs are not truths. They are simply stories we've told ourselves. And you have the power to rewrite those stories into ones of confidence, growth, and possibility. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's continue this journey of growth together here on Science of Mind. Until next time, stay mindful, stay motivated, and always remember you are capable of extraordinary things. Outro music and visuals. A calming sunset fades out as inspirational text appears. Rewrite your story today.